Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Benchmark's peach-flavored whiskey. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more about this peach flavor.
Oh, I know you're excited about this one. Benchmark Hold Number 8 Peach Liqueur. It's not even a flavored whiskey. It's a liqueur. It is 35% though, so it is a plus. It's made of course, Benchmark bourbon with peach flavor and caramel coloring added to it. Shocker on that one. Like I said, once again, not a whiskey, flavored. It's a liqueur. So there's going to be way more liqueur in this than there is whiskey. So they also make, as to Will's chagrin, an apple, a brown sugar, and an eggnog. Lucky him, I already have the brown sugar and the eggnog version. The apple, still look out. Now, this bad boy, I found covered in dust at a liquor store on my 20th anniversary trip up in Gainesville. Paid $8.99 for it. I was like, oh, sweet, I've been looking for one of those. They had tons of these things. I'm like, yeah, I'm buying that for sure for Will's pleasure. So I had to get that for him because I knew he wants you to like it. I know Steve would be disappointed if I didn't buy it. So I had to buy it for Steve A. to make it, see what Will would think. So let's see what we think of this peach liqueur, not even a whiskey, from Benchmark.
Wow.
Oh, it's so peachy. It smells like peach cling.
It is Snapple peach tea.
Oh, yeah, that too. Yeah, definitely. Actually, yeah. Vanilla, honey.
Wow.
It even has the Snapple, you know, the lid's got that weird metallic smell.
Yes.
Even that, yeah.
Oh, that's so 1998.
It really is. It makes me wonder. I don't even know if they still make this stuff. I couldn't find out if it's been discontinued. They don't claim it on their website at all. It's hilarious. They're like, oh, we didn't make that stuff. You sure do. Wow. It's still out there. I find it every now and then.
It's peach syrup.
It is. It's totally peach syrup. Like this on like pancakes might be delicious.
Yeah, you'd want that like.
Oh, dude,
all that bread to soak it up.
Peaches in this would be amazing though. Make your own moonshine essentially.
What's my ABV on this?
It's 35, so it's it's 70 proof, so it's higher.
It's gonna hit,
no doubt. All right, let's see.
Oh, it's so peach.
Oh, it's peach cling completely. Peach, even like peach jello, vanilla, honey. That same, like you said, that Snapple metallic. Wow, that's thick.
Yeah, Snapple. Yeah, that Snapple lid, that metallic.
Really is. I can even hear the thing twisting off. Yeah, this was open today also for you. So I never opened it prior.
Whew.
Wow. That is.
You got peachy. Me 3 in a row drinking water on the toast, man. That's not cool.
I know. I'll try to do better in a couple of weeks with nicer things for you. These were rough, I know. We'll try to do a gin or something more fun. Oh, I did find a new Bitter Truth. So you can have that one in a couple of weeks.
I'll take that. And how about this? How about next time we film, we'll do a Bitter Truth and a new Jameson ready to drink can.
Oh, let's do that. I like that plan.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
Jameson's came out with a new orange spritz. I think we should get our hands on that one.
Yeah, we should definitely do that. That sounds cool.
Yeah. All right. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night, deep diving into a whiskey topic, or heck, just come hang out with us at the castle. We have a Patreon page. You can support us financially and get access to some behind-the-scenes fun. But until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers.